Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by setting BPM to 125-126 and creating a short 4-bar loop so you hear musical context immediately. Load Drum Machine Designer or a sampler kit and assign clean, punchy samples for kick, hat, clap. This gives you control over processing. Once done, program a simple 4-on-the-floor kick pattern and add hi-hat 1/16s for groove. Quantize lightly to keep swing. Make sure to save a project snapshot so you can experiment without losing the original loop. Next, you create the low-end and harmonic content. Load Alchemy or a synth for a tight sub-bass and layer with a mid-bass for presence. Use a low-pass and subtle distortion to glue the bass. Routing to a bus makes later processing easier. For chords, design short stabs or plucks that sit in the upper mids and sidechain them to the kick so the groove breathes. Then program shuffled hi-hats, percussion fills, and ghost snares to add swing and motion to your loop. To finish, arrange sections: intro, build, drop, breakdown, automate filter cutoff, reverb sends, and vocal chops for tension and release. Group drums, bass, and synths to buses and apply glue compression, subtractive EQ, and light saturation for cohesion. Once done, balance levels and bounce stems at 24-bit for mixing. If things sound cluttered, solo frequency bands and check phase between layers. This troubleshooting method reveals masking or phase cancellation, so you can EQ or nudge timing to restore clarity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.